the perfect Houston high-rise kitchen. So kitchens are important because you're going to be hosting events. You're going to be hosting parties. Your life is about to change. If you haven't yet been hosting parties and things like that, hey, it's going to start. You're going to be able to do that right away. You're going to be able to do that right now. Once you get into this apartment, look at this. People are going to love this. They're going to love this apartment. They're going to love the gorgeous appliances, the white quartz countertops, the island, and then they're going to love these views. This is going to be, your place is going to become just party central in the best sense. People are going to be talking about your place. They're going to want to come to your place, and you're going to be just the perfect host. Hey, you even have a wonderful balcony to have people go out on and check out the city as well. But you've got this beautiful space. It's perfect for the events of any size. And right here, I believe there's about 14 spots, 15 chairs, not including the outside. You've got space for whatever you need. This is perfect. Hey, there's a number below. What I want you to do is send me a text and go, Grant, I really like what I'm seeing. I'd like to get some more information about maybe this apartment, and I want to use you to help me find my perfect Houston high-rise apartment. I'm the right person to do it. I have energy. I love what I do. I love checking out apartments, especially high-rises and penthouses, and I'll help you find that perfect place. And it's going to be a place that I've walked, that I know really well. It's not going to be just here's a list. It's going to be like I've walked this place, I know it, and you're going to love the choices you get when you work with me. So my number's below. Go ahead and text. And then also at any time, you can go to our website, uptown101.com, uptown101.com/search, and you can fill out a search request there. Hey, we have another video coming up, and we're going to film that right now.